morning everyone. Today I'm going to speak about how to smoke in your house without your parent finding out. Step 1. Acquire the cigarettes and lighter. Well, first of all, you obviously need the cigarettes and the lighter or matches. Second, find a place to secure them. Now, you got the smokes. But before you light up, you need to have a place to hide them in case things go wrong. Third, get an alibi. You have to smoke and a place to hide it. Now you need an alibi. If you're going to smoke in the bathroom, do it while pretending to have the biggest poop of all time or while having a bath. Fourth, you are almost ready to actually start smoking now. Now, you just need the equipment you need with you wherever you smoke. The things you may need are cigarettes and lighter, cup of water to put out the cigarette, drink, deodorant. Deodorant can remove some of the smell of the smoke. And the last is the chewing gum. Chewing gum is obviously to remove some of the smell of the smoke, safe for toothpaste and mouthwash. Thank you.